Welcome to aminacademy.com. Human anatomy and physiology regarding nutrients. Let us discuss about fats and cholesterol. Fats consist of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but they differ from carbohydrates in that the hydrogen and oxygen are not in the same proportions as in water. There are several groups of fats and lipids important in nutrition. Fats, triglycerides, commonly known as fats. A triglyceride molecules consist of three fatty acids like to a glycerol molecules. Depending on the type of relative amounts of fatty acids they contain, fats are classified as saturated and unsaturated. In general, saturated fats are solid at room temperature and originate from animal sources, while unsaturated fats are oils, usually derived from vegetables or plants. A high intake of saturated fats can predispose to coronary heart diseases. Cholesterol. Unlike other lipids whose molecules are composed of chains of atoms, this molecule contains four rings, which give it the characteristic steroid structure. It can be synthesized by the body around 20%, with the remainder coming from the saturated fats in the diet as a constituent of full fat dairy products, fatty meat, and egg yolk. Cholesterol is needed for synthesis of steroid hormones, that is glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids, and is an important constituent of cell membranes. Cholesterol is transported in the blood combined with proteins forming lipoproteins. Function of fats. This includes provision of most concentrated source of cholesterol, energy and heat, support of some organs, that is the kidneys, the eyes, transport and storage of the fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, constituent of myelin sheaths and of sebum, formation of steroid hormones from cholesterol, storage of energy as fat in adipose tissue under the skin and in the mesentery, especially when eaten in excess of requirements. Insulation as a subcutaneous layer, it reduces heat loss through the skin. Satiety value. The emptying time of the stomach is prolonged after eating food that is high in fat, postponing the return of hunger. Now we'll discuss further detail about fats and cholesterol. Fats provide essential energy and help absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K, while cholesterol is a waxy substance essential for building cells and producing hormones, vitamins D, and bile acids for fat digestion. While both are lipids, fats are consumed for energy and are broadly categorized into unsaturated, that is healthy, and saturated, that is trans fats, unhealthy. Whereas dietary cholesterol has less impact on blood cholesterol than unhealthy fats. High levels of bad LDL cholesterol, often due to excess saturated and trans fats, increase the risk of heart diseases. What about fat? Purpose. Fats are vital energy source, providing a 9 calories per gram. They are also necessary for the absorption of fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and provide essential fatty acids and body cannot produce. Types of fats. Unsaturated fats. Considered healthy, they can improve blood cholesterol levels found in fish, that is salmon, avocados, olives, and nuts. Saturated fats. These fats raise LDL, bad cholesterol, more than other dietary components found in some meats, full fat dairy, chocolate, and baked goods. Trans fats also raise LDL cholesterol and are considered unhealthy. Further about cholesterol, the purpose. Cholesterol is a vital waxy substance that the body needs to build healthy cells, produces hormones, vitamin D, and bile acids for digestion. Foods high with cholesterol: beef brain, chicken liver, egg yolk, shrimps, cheeseburger, chicken legs. These are the high in cholesterol. Body versus dietary cholesterol. Your body naturally produces all the cholesterol it needs, while foods like eggs contain dietary cholesterol. Research shows that unhealthy fats, saturated and trans fats have a bigger impact on blood cholesterol levels than dietary cholesterol itself. Types of cholesterol. LDL, low density lipoprotein, known as bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart diseases and stroke. HDL, high density lipoprotein, known as good cholesterol. HDL carries cholesterol away from the blood vessels and back to the liver, helping to eliminate it. Key takeaways: focus on reducing intake of saturated and trans fats to manage your blood cholesterol levels. Incorporate unsaturated fats into your diet as they can help improve cholesterol. The biggest dietary factor impacting blood cholesterol levels is fat, not dietary cholesterol. So far, we discussed about food nutrients, in that fat and cholesterol. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.